Hi guys, if you want to install custom fonts or downloaded fonts in PowerPoint on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To install custom fonts in PowerPoint, on your browser, type Google Fonts. And then open the Google Fonts website to get the fonts for free. Now on the Google Fonts, you can choose your desired font. There are multiple fonts here. Or if you want to download any specific font, then you can simply search it from here. Let's say I want to download a font called Fugaz 1. So here I will simply type Fugaz 1. Here it is. Here you will be able to see how the fonts look like. You can see. Now to download the font, simply click on the Get Font button and then click on the download option. And the font will be downloaded in a zip file. Simply open the downloaded zip file. And then find the font file, which will be either in .ttf format or .otf format. Here you can see the font file is in .ttf format. So once you find the font file, simply double click on it and then click on the install button. And once the font is installed, close the font window. And also make sure you close the PowerPoint and then reopen it to ensure the new font is recognized. So simply close it. Now reopen the PowerPoint. Here it is. And now in the PowerPoint, click anywhere in the slide and then go to the font drop-down menu and then find the newly installed font. In my case, it was the font with the name Fugaz 1. So let's find it. Here it is. And now you can see the downloaded custom font has been added to PowerPoint. And now you can use the font in your PowerPoint wherever you want. I will select the font. Here it is. And type anything. Here it is. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily install custom fonts or downloaded fonts in PowerPoint on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.